Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix and adjust volume in Roblox games. I just log into my Roblox account and I will just move in the more settings, which is top right corner bottom, and just tab to settings. So after I will just tab on settings, inside here is a device preferences. So just tab on the last option is device preferences. So after inside is here you will see this volume icon, and just you will just tap to adjust by your finger with volume up and lower. So this first way is that to reduce and hide the volume of the your Roblox account or games. And another one is go back on the home screen, just tap random play game. So I will just play on this game of racing car. Just tap on this green icon, and after loading, so please rotate to see this second way to volume down and high. So after playing this, you will just tap on this Roblox icon and just tap on the settings. Just tap on settings, and from here you will just reduce and high volume. So this is how you adjust volume in Roblox games. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.